Hello again, everybody. This is Dinami Wolf. Pretending to be excited to do this. I really am not. This game hates me. Well, let's go through the Diglet field. It is this. Fuck him. Let's just stop making noise over there. What'd I get? Oh my gosh, I got a P-Wing. I need these. I totally do for the really hard levels. I probably would need it for this. Let's climb the Tower of Babel. When you make noises, it makes you fly. Pillars of death. Thwomps of death. Pipes of death. Nice design, guys. You did a good job here. That wasn't the one I thought would be it. Up the pipe. Windows! I do not trust those. I do not. Apparently they're safe, though. Am I almost there? Are we there yet? Get the fuck off of here. Does this have to be a leap of faith? It's gotta be a leap of faith, doesn't it? I trusted you! I fucking trusted you! That was a leap of fail. Thwompity thwomp 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 thwomp. What are you? Don't touch me. I'm sterile. I can't have kids. Because fuck children. Okay, do not take that out of context. Okay, this is where I had to take the leap of fail. So what do I have to do? What the fuck do I have to do? I'm gonna have to look up a guide, aren't I? I am going to have to look up a guide. Nope! Oh my... The one block I didn't hit. Just... Hey, we're in heaven. Does that mean the game's over? I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, baby. Gonna fly my way all the way. Oh no. I'm out of butt fuel. Yay! I did it! I did it! I did it! Alright. Oh! No. Just fucking. Get out of here. I'm fine. I don't care. Just fuck this. This thing is perilous. Just no. 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 Oh, what the f- This game hates me. It fucking despises me. Ah! Look at that face. Look at that fucking face. Alright. Alright. Let's just do this while I have one life. One fucking life. Just one life. One life to fuck. One life to fuck forever. One sword to fuck them all. I don't even know. Okay, let's gamble. Let's gamble. Let's gamble. It's gamble rama. Gamble rama. Gamble. Oh, shut the fuck up. Baby. I'm pretty good at this. Woo! Climb the Table of Babel again, Mario. So we shall reach the... God destroyed the Tower of Babel for them trying to get to heaven, so... Why isn't this one going boom boom? 'Cause it's a big boy. And it goes boom boom in the toilet. It's just... Oh, I just like making noises for the hell of it. Are we there yet? My feet are tired. My ass hurts. Fuck you. I'll let you live. They took that straight out of Mario 2. They just... yeah, they kept it. That's what they kept. The rest they just said, fuck it. We don't like this game anymore. Playing this game's for losers. Don't! Just... gonna... yeah. And he's gonna hit me, isn't he? Fuck yeah! Fun fact. Hitler designed this game as a method of torture.
No.
I'm gonna find out that's historically... fuck it. I just gave up trying. I just don't like this game anymore. I just don't. I keep getting further in it, but I suck at it. I think I created a paradox. I'm gonna be playing this game for the rest of my life. Or at least the rest of this channel's life. Look at the flying phallus. You know what? You know what? This is the last try for this episode. I don't even care. I just don't care. I just don't care. I care a lot. Good night, everybody. It's been a nice time playing for you. I love all of you.